The Israeli army and defense industry is particularly experienced in converting main battle tanks into heavy armor personnel carriers. Nagmachon is an example. Developed on the chassis of the Centurion main battle tank from the 1970s and 1980s, the Nagmachon has increased armor protection and enlarged superstructure compared to the previous Nagmashot. The result is an armored vehicle with a strange appearance, completely different from other armored personnel carriers. From combat experience in the Lebanon War in 1982, the Israeli Defense Forces wanted a heavier armored personnel carrier to increase the level of protection for the crew and soldiers. Nagmachon APC was developed based on the Centurion hull but did not meet the requirements of the Israeli army. Soldiers entering and leaving the vehicle had to clamber on top of it, where they were exposed to small arms fire and shrapnel, and select a rear door. Nagmachon was then born as an evolution of the previous Nagmashot. To increase the level of protection for the soldiers, a fully enclosed superstructure was placed in the center of the hull, sometimes also known as a doghouse. The distinctive raised superstructure, which became an ideal platform for counterinsurgency and urban operations, seeing much used in the Al-Aqsa Intifada within the disputed territories and southern Lebanon in 2006. It is often used as an engineering vehicle and a carrier for sappers, although its main role has been to carry infantry. The Nagmachon can be fitted with several devices in the front, including mine-breaching devices, such as Nord-Korea anti-mine system. The vehicle carries thick barely armor designed to withstand mine blasts. This makes it an ideal platform for breaching routes through minefields and booby-trapped areas. Although the vehicle can be used to perform engineering tasks, it is mostly used with infantry forces. The Nagmachon also carries explosive reactive armor to counter high-explosive anti-tank rounds, such as rocket-propelled grenades. Because of the exposure of the crew to enemy fire, 3 armor panels were attached to the superstructure's roof. These panels were equipped with vision blocks of armor glass. Between the panels, 2 pinter-mounted 7.62mm FNMAG machine guns were placed. The Nagmachon is equipped with 4 IS-10 grenade launchers. These contain 10 grenades each of the CL-30-30 type, being smoke grenades. The reinforcement of layers of protection makes the vehicle weigh up to 52 tons. The maximum speed is only 45 km per hour. The operating range is only 185 km and carries a crew of 2 and 10 infantry. Despite being appreciated for its protection, but limited in maneuverability, bulky turrets, and weak firepower, the role of the Nagmachon armor personnel carrier was replaced by the more modern Puma armor vehicle.